I'm here at the Controp stand with Nir Natan, and good to meet you, Nir. I understand that you are promoting 3 main product lines today. Would you like to give us an overview of what those are?
Yes, thank you. Let's start from this one. In this section you can see 2 solutions that we recently introduced to the world for a remote weapon station. This is the Sight 25 HD, which is a gimbaled camera. It has 2 gimbals, one for azimuth and one for elevation. It includes a cooled thermal camera, high definition day camera and laser rangefinder. All together packed in a 13 kilograms payload. This was introduced about a year ago in Eurosatory in Paris, and today we are introducing this box, which we called Sight 25E, which has the same sensors like in the 25 HD, but it's packed on this enclosure, in this box. Okay, the idea is that this box can be installed on a remote weapon station and move with it. This one can move separately from the remote weapon station and able to detect or to locate targets separately. Okay, so this one moves with the weapon station, and this is by itself. Okay, that's the main idea. We also introduced in this family of the Sight 10E and the 15E. These boxes coming with uncooled thermal camera for shorter distances, but of course the prices are much lower because of this technology. So right now in this DSEI we can introduce the whole family. 3 boxes, and we have this 25 HD, and we have the 50 HD, which is a bigger one. Okay, it's a 90 kilogram payload. Okay, so this is include the whole family.
Thank you. And behind us we have your coastal surveillance system.
Yes.
I understand you've got 2 systems here, one that creates a wide area of view, and it can slew on the other system, is that correct?
Yes. Okay, in the coastal surveillance we have 2 systems. We're starting with this one, which is the Tornado ER. Tornado ER is a detection system. It rotates 360 degrees. It finishes a full round in 3 seconds, every 3 seconds. It creates a panoramic view, and in this panoramic view it can detect everything which is moving. Okay, it can be a swimmer, it can be a small boat, it can be everything. It covers from 400 meters up to 12 kilometers. It consists of 2 thermal cameras, 2 cool thermal cameras. One of them is here beneath, it's from short range to medium range, and the other one is from medium to long range. Okay. All this together is on a gyro stabilized gimbal, so you can put it on a very high mast, and it can handle the vibrations if there is a radar there or it's any wind. And it gives you a very nice panoramic view in order to be able to get a very good situational awareness of what you're looking for. This system was designed for a specific customer in Asia Pacific, which he has a radar, but he doesn't understand what he's doing because there was a lot of traffic, okay, and he wants something visual. By introducing this one, you get a panoramic view. You can see all the boats, okay, that you have in the port. This system can also be integrated with AIS system and radar. So when you push a target, you can get all the information about this target and see if it's a good target or it's a threat. After that, we have the other system, which is observation system called SpeedER. SpeedER is a multispectral camera. Consists of a cool thermal camera with 1300 millimeters. We have a shortwave IR, okay, 2.5 meters of focal length. We have wide field of view day camera and laser rangefinder. All of this also coming with a gyro stabilized gimbal, so you can put it on a very high mast and doesn't suffer from vibrations. Basically, this detection camera can detect the targets, and this will go and investigate the targets. Okay, so this couple coming with a specific C2 systems capable to be as a standalone solution for coastal surveillance.
And I understand that there is some artificial intelligence behind that, which is automating the queuing of the sensors.
Yes, we are designing and developing AI solutions. which are capable of detecting the targets, the moving targets, okay, even if there is some kind of movements. And the next step is also to categorize. Okay, we are working on be able to say that if it's a swimmer, is it a small boat, is it like a vessel boat, whatever. Okay, so this is the idea, and the future is AI. Okay, with the same data that we already have in this camera. So the data is there, and the algorithm is on the way.
And you're also promoting the stamp system. I think you're probably better known for that in the UK at the moment. Are there any new developments to that?
Yes, thank you. In the airborne, we have new payloads. Okay, we're starting with this one, which is called the STEM VMD. It's a gyro-stabilized payload, 3 gimbals, with a day camera, with a lot of megapixel camera, which enables to hold 1 square kilometer and detect any movement in this area. Okay, so it's used for persistent surveillance. The weight of it's 1.5 kilograms, 1.3 kilograms. So it can be installed on a Group 1 UAV. The UAV is surrounding the area. Okay, and this one is looking in the center of the area, and be able to detect any movement in this area. After detecting the target, we have this new payload called the T-Stamp XD. This is the next generation of the T-Stamp XR that we introduced last year. It has the same sensors, the Armoured camera, high definition day camera, and the designator. The designator enables us to designate targets which are relevant and to close the sensor to shooter cycle very fast. This will be installed on a UAV2, on a Group 2 UAVs, and these two together can do a very good job in a platoon stage. So you don't need the help of Air Force or Navy or any aircrafts which are flying very high. You can do all the work together on a platoon level. Another thing which is important, both Group 1 Group 2 UAVs fly beneath the clouds. Okay, so you can do operations even if it's cloudy. Okay, you are not limited, and this is a very good advantage.
Thank you. And has there been much interest here at DSEI?
This is my third time in DSEI. The first one we come with another company called Contact. The second one with Rafael, and today we are alone. Okay, just Controp. Now we introduce aeronautics and we introduce Rafael. Okay, but this is our booth. 2 levels. This is the first time that we are doing 2 levels of a booth. And yes, this is a very important show for us, and hopefully it will be also very successful.
Thank you very much, Nir.